In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter meme coins on DexScreener. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is go to DexScreener.com, and then on here you can see, of course, you have some different meme coins. If you want to filter these, you want to go to the right over here where it says filters up top, click on that, and then you have basically the option to go to all platforms over here, or just basically select the specific ones you would like to have. And then after you do that, click on save, and you can basically just set filters. As you can see, they have a lot of filters over here, all on one page. However, if you are looking for a better platform which has it basically done a bit more conveniently, and on which you can basically filter out those different scam coins, well, some of them, which is, of course, you can't always filter out 100% of them, but some can be filtered out. I would actually recommend, if you're trying to apply filters, that you use Axiom Pro, because Axiom Pro's filter feature is also, as you can see, connected to DexScreener over here, and you can set filters again, and then you have a bunch of different ones. So not only that, you can also go to polls over here, and if you go to polls, you can select different options. So we can go to new pairs, final stretches, or migrated coins, and you can basically set a lot of different things over here, a lot of different very specific parameters and filters for yourself. So in case you want to use this instead of DexScreener or just with it together, because they go hand in hand, you can click the link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure to check that out. I would really recommend it because as I said, it's packed with different premium features, not just the filters. It has Twitter trackers, wallet trackers, you can set presets for different fees, you can buy Solana directly on here, you can trade perpetuals, use the turbo mode for faster fills and buys, etc. So there's a lot of different reasons why you would want to use Axiom Pro. Now, of course, if these filters are enough for you over here, you can just use these. But as I said, I usually go to Axiom and use these because I just think they're a bit more convenient. And I mean, you can just basically set them a bit quicker and you can filter through the coins a bit easier. So that's pretty much that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.